So you can now deposit your SpurProtocol token to exchange. So if you go to your SpurProtocol app, you realize or you discover that you can now add your wallet, as you can see from here. And if you want to change the wallet you've added, you can now do it. So I'm going to walk you through how to add your wallet. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do what to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you follow us on X and also join our Telegram channel. Link in the description and comment section of this video. Now, if you go to Coin X Exchange, you discover that deposit is now open. So you've come to the deposit the asset section. You click on deposit. Then you can now search for Sun. Previously, the Sun token deposit is not yet open, but now is now open. So those who actually purchase the pre-market token can now start depositing now. So you copy, after searching for Sun, you copy your wallet address. Then you proceed to your app. For those of you using app, so you proceed to the SpurProtocol app. Then you scroll down to from criteria to what? To withdraw. You can see withdraw section here. So under this withdraw section, you're going to see here blank. You get the point. So all you need to do is just to tap, after copying, just to tap this section, you tap here, then the wallet address will be automatically pasted there. It's as simple as ABC. Then if you want to change it, you can just come here and change address. So if you click on change, then you do the same. You can see withdraw address has been saved. So it's very easy. Copy the address, come here, then paste here, then just tap here. It will be automatically pasted. So now if you click on check allocation, when you click on claim airdrop, you discover that the claim is still not yet working. So we are waiting for announcement from SpurProtocol to let us know when those of us, the farmers, will be able to withdraw our token. But those who bought or pre-sale, actually they are unable to withdraw now. Let's look at the current price of SpurProtocol now. For those of you that care to know, since withdrawal have been open, currently now the price has started dumping. You can see. So let's wait and see what the price will be when the farmers will finally be able to withdraw their token. So drop a thought in the comment section of this video. Do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram and follow us on X. Very, very important. See you at the top.